Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you another variation of the windshield wiper that I think is pretty fun and cool, and well, it just feels good. And if you don't remember, a windshield wiper is, well, I'll show you this way, is where you keep your knees pulled up towards your chest and you rotate your legs over to the side, back and forth. And you want to keep your shoulder blades on the ground as much as possible. Well, you want to keep your shoulder blades on the ground until you're ready to modify the windshield wiper, and in which case you pick your head up and you reach across and you keep looking around. Now, this version of the windshield wiper I like to call the modified windshield wiper. And the cool thing about the modified windshield wiper is it rotates your spine. It just helps rotate your spine, you know, kind of from the base of your neck down through your torso. But it feels good. But the modified windshield wiper is a flexion and rotation roll. And what I mean by that is I'm bringing my head up into flexion and then I'm rotating. But we can also do the windshield wiper through extension and rotation, and it looks similar, but it's different. So it looks like this. I extend and rotate and let my arm come over, and then I go back. So you rotate over with your legs, extension and rotation, which is different. And I'm going to flip so you can see it differently. So again, the modified windshield wiper would be flexion and rotation, where this windshield wiper would be extension, how you doing, and rotation. Now, why would we do extension and rotation? Because we can. And I am a fan of using the body or moving the body as it was designed. We are made to move in all these wonderful ways, and if we don't move in those wonderful ways, we could lose the ability to move in those wonderful ways. And we're made to rotate, we're made to go into flexion, we're made to go into extension. And I'm a fan of doing what the body's designed to do. Even though sometimes we come up with silly rules like don't squat past 90 degrees. But have you ever wondered if you're not supposed to squat past 90 degrees, why your body just lets you so naturally squat past 90 degrees? I mean, if you weren't supposed to squat past 90 degrees, why wouldn't your body just stop you right here? Because obviously you're not supposed to stop it there or go past there, but you can. Or other silly rules like don't ever let your knees go out in front of your toes. Well, if I'm not supposed to do that, or I'm never supposed to do that, why is it so easy and does it come so naturally to be able to do that and let my knees obviously travel out well past beyond my toes? Anyway, we're made to move, and we're made to move in all these wonderful ways. And moving in all those wonderful ways that you're designed to move can probably keep you pretty healthy so that you can always move throughout your life. All right, so all of that to say, the windshield wiper that is modified now with extension and rotation, it feels good. It's fun to do, and it's another way to help keep your spine healthy. But remember, don't move into pain, move where you can, and enjoy and explore how your body does move. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.